Kiteworks is excited to announce the acquisition of 123FormBuilder, a leader in secure data collection and sensitive content tracking and control through modernized secure web forms, form-driven private content workflows, and advanced regulatory compliance. Their no-code form creation includes powerful features like conditional logic, e-signatures, file uploads, and payment integration. 123FormBuilder integrates seamlessly with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and many others, streamlining your workflows. With the acquisition, 123FormBuilder customers can gain access to Kiteworks' private content network that unifies content communications on one platform. As 123FormBuilder is integrated into Kiteworks operations, 123FormBuilder customers will gain access to Kiteworks' global support and around-the-clock expert assistance. Plus, with Kiteworks, they enjoy long-term innovation and stability backed by a well-funded, secure organization. Kiteworks and 123FormBuilder, better together.